Pelicans landing at the last minute by throwing a piece of fish at them. And if I get a chance, I'll demonstrate for you. This is an adolescent Pacific gull just going past. Now this adolescent Pacific gull may come bobbing in and try and... Whoops, he got it instead. Right, we might be in a position to trash the Pelican's landing. Oi, got that right. We might have a happy one first too. There's a happy one over there.
Oh, that same one again all the time.